thought it was extremely important to have America represented in need for speed. And I thought no better than the Ford Mustang.
We decided that the Ford Mustang was going to be the hero car.
We wanted to come up with this car that really was definitive of true American racing.
How you doing?
The Mustang is a beast. You think that a Mustang is fast, but it is so much faster than you would ever think.
Julia and Toby first meet when the new Mustang was revealed.
5.8-litre aluminium block, SVT supercharger, and racing headers. Yeah, it's quite nice, actually.
At that point, he's unaware that she will, in fact, be accompanying him across America.
You have 45 hours to get from New York to California.
And your problem is?
We better get going.
This hero Mustang they have has such balls to it, it's pretty wild.
It's the 50th anniversary of Mustang, which is a huge deal. It's one of the most iconic cars of American culture. It's unbelievable.